Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put border in one-by-one picture in Microsoft Word. We will open the Word document where we will see the picture. Then we select the image. In the menu, Picture Format, in Picture Styles, we can choose one of the predefined borders. The change is immediate. If you wish, you can choose one of the other borders. Another way that we teach you is to select the image and in the Picture Format menu, click on Picture Border and first choose the border color. Again, click on Picture Border and this time on Weight, determine the width of the border line. If you wish from Picture Border, click on Sketched and you can change the style of the border to give it a more personal touch. If you do not like it from this same option, Sketched, you can leave the normal line. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.